Right, do you want another instant state changer guaranteed to make you feel good in less than a minute? Then do this with me. Now, we're going to be applying psychoneuroimmunology, which is the act of, if I can get my words out, the act of creating a physical action that changes your psychological state. We're going to do that by adding a smile. You've seen me do this before in other videos. Adding a smile whilst we do this exercise. We are also going to be looking at a polyvagal technique where we will at the same time uplift our eyes. You've seen this in one of my other videos. Uplift our eyes, uplift our head, keeping the smile. We're then going to be raising our arms and pushing them up and then squatting. And as we squat down, we're going to be going, sighing audibly. I'm the one going to be looking a fool doing this. You can do this in the confines of your own home, nice and privately. So don't worry, it's just going to be me looking silly and I don't care, it's okay. If you do this with me, I guarantee if you're feeling rubbish right now, you're going to feel 10 times better in about a minute's time. Are you ready? Here we go. Smile on, eyes up, head up, arms up. On the exhale, you'll come down, you're going to make an audible sigh. It's exhaling through the nose because you've got a smile on your face. Are you ready? Here we go. How do you feel? You should now, if you're like me, have a permanent smile on your face. You feel like giggling, and yes, you do look a fool doing it. I feel 10 times better. You do too, don't you? I'm sure you do. There we are, more semi-foolish, silly ideas for me coming up. But let's face it, who cares if they look silly, if they seem foolish? If they make you feel good, they've got to be worth doing. See you soon.